Hey there, in this video I'll show you how to pair your Apple AirPods with the Samsung Series 6 TV. So let's get started, and we'll start with the AirPods. First thing to do is to flip the lid open, and if you look at the back there is a button which we need to depress for around 5 seconds or so, and this will make the AirPods discoverable. So I'm going to press and hold that now. And after a short while we'll have this white light blinking, which means I can release and these AirPods are now discoverable. So now they're ready, grab your remote, go to Menu, then scroll down to Sound, then across, down and down to Speaker Settings. From here we go down to the bottom, which is Bluetooth Headphone List. And just here you can see it's located the AirPods. Let's move it across to the left and press Enter. Pair and connect, and these AirPods are now connected. So, as quickly as that, your AirPods are now connected and you can use them with your Samsung Series 6 TV. I hope you found the video useful. Please give it a thumbs up. Thanks very much for watching my video, and I wish you a great day ahead.